how to set up Echo Dot. In this video we will talk about how you can set up Echo Dot really easily. This is Echo Dot 4th generation and we will set up it and connect it to Wi-Fi. So download the Amazon Alexa app and open it, and here you will need to sign in with your Amazon account. So after sign in, select your profile, or if you want you can create new profile. Here you can double check your name, agree and continue. So here you can listen the pronunciation of your name by Alexa, and here you can set up your voice ID, or you can skip it and set it up later, but we are setting it up now. So allow this permission and repeat these sentences. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. So here you can see voice ID created. Now next, your profile is ready. Set up what you care about. Set up my features. You can allow access to your contacts if you want, or you can do it later. So here you can add someone else from your family, or that's everyone. All set. Alexa is ready to assist your family. So you can use all these features, but first you will need to add your device. So tap on this icon and select the add device option, and here select Amazon Echo. From here, Echo Dot, allow location. So turn on location, yes, and now allow this permission. Now turn on Bluetooth. Here is your Echo plugged in and displaying an orange light. So it is plugged in and displaying orange light. If your Echo is not displaying an orange light, press and hold this action button until you see the orange light. So tap yes. It is searching for device. Select your device. Now it is searching for Wi-Fi. Make sure device is nearby, plugged in and in pairing mode. So now it will show all the available Wi-Fi network. If you want, you can connect your Echo Dot to your mobile hotspot, but your mobile hotspot need to be turned on for this. So select the Wi-Fi network, enter the password and connect. So here you can see connecting to Wi-Fi. So it can take a while, just wait, and you will see the orange light will go blue. Here you can see your Echo Dot is now connected. So now tap continue. Choose a language for Alexa. So from here you can choose the languages to use. for Alexa. Here select the room and select your location and continue. Now okay, get started with Alexa. Your Echo Dot is ready. So now you can use all these features really easily. You can use Alexa to add an alarm, create a reminder, and all the other things. From here you can see all the settings related to your device. If you want to change the Wi-Fi network, you can do it from here, and the other settings. So if you want to pair a Bluetooth device with your Echo Dot, you can do it from here, searching for devices. And if you want to connect this phone to your Echo Dot, just go to the Bluetooth setting and from the available devices select Echo Dot and pair it. So now Echo Dot will work as a Bluetooth speaker for your mobile. Here you can see it is connected. You can use all these functions for your Echo Dot. So here you can see all the other settings. You can deregister your device from here. So now it's almost ready to use. Just one thing more, you can use Alexa on this device by enabling Alexa hands-free. Talk to Alexa on the go, get Alexa responses and location based result in your app. So you can turn on this feature on your phone. You just have to say Alexa, or you can tap this option and use Alexa on your phone. So here you can see all the other function. You can link music services, and from here you will see all the other settings. So in this option you can see communication. You can see all the call and messages options. Here you have few other things to try. So again in the settings option, here you can see your profile and family. You can set up your profile. From here you can see your voice ID. Your voice is recognized. You can delete your voice ID from here if you want. So it's really easy to use. Now you can use it really easily. Just you have to say Alexa, and these are the buttons to use: volume up, volume down, and this is the mute button, and action button. So this is the simple setup for your Echo Dot.